We all know that Suno AI is basically magic. You type in a prompt, wait 30 seconds, and suddenly you have a radio-quality song with realistic vocals. It's incredible. But the harsh reality is, uploading it with a static image to YouTube or TikTok just doesn't do it justice. The algorithm is probably going to ignore it. In today's world, people don't just listen with their ears, they listen with their eyes. If the screen isn't moving and telling a story, they're going to scroll past your song in 2 seconds. The problem is, making a real music video is a nightmare. You need cameras, actors, locations, lighting, a crew, and a massive budget. And most of us don't have that. So today, I'm going to show you a game changer. We're going to take a brand new song from Suno and turn it into a high-end cinematic music video using a tool called Focal AI. Now, I want to be clear. Focal isn't just another video generator, it's an AI video agent. Instead of just clicking buttons and hoping for the best, you're going to talk to an agent that actually understands your song, plans the scenes, handles the lip syncing, and even does the editing for you. So let's get started. First, we need our bass track. Since we're going for something raw and storytelling heavy, I'm creating a folk country acoustic song. And here we go.
Old paint peeling on this rocking chair. Same crack in the floor by my boot heel there. Main Street's quiet like the day after rain.
That sounds great. Great melody, great vocals. It got that memory lane vibe I was looking for. Now I'm going to download the high-quality audio file in MP3 format. This is the DNA of our project. Now that we have our audio, it's time to head over to Focal AI Agent and build our visuals. When you land on Focal AI, the interface is different from what you might expect. We just have a clean, simple chat box, and this is your command center. Here, I'm going to click on this plus button and upload the song that we just created. Now I'm just going to simply type, make a music video for this song, and I will type something about the scenery I want to create. We will keep from an idea, and for the duration, you can keep this auto to match the full duration of your song, or select a custom duration if you want. I'm going to keep it auto and hit create. Immediately, you'll see the agent start to think. It's not just pulling a random clip from a library. It analyzes the song, lyrics, and sets up a plan to create our music video. Look at that. The Focal AI has correctly identified the uploaded file as a request for music video. It has selected 16:9 as the aspect ratio and grabbed the full duration. And below that, Focal AI has decided on the locations, and we have the shot list. A man on a rocking chair. This is a pretty difficult setting to get visually perfect, but let's see how Focal AI will tackle it. And next, you can create the main character as you have envisioned, or generate a photo using a reference if you have one. But for this case, I'm going to give the AI creative freedom on the character and command to move forward. The style prompt is something called Cinematic Americana. Let's dig a bit deeper into this. And wow, there are over 60 visual styles to choose from, including anime, Pixar, Ghibli, noir, etc. Experimenting with Lego style would be a lot of fun, but for our case, we will go with the more suitable photorealistic style. And now the agent is splitting the audio into the chunks to create the storyboard. And now that the images are done, agent is moving forward with animating them with lip sync, integrating a syncing tool named Infinite Talk. By default, Focal Agent is creating the images with the GPT Image 1.5 model and animating them with the Seedance 1.5 Pro model, but you can also use the more popular models such as VO 3.1 and Kling 3 as well. I personally stick with Seedance because it's incredibly fast and gets the job done without draining my credits. Okay, here we are. Let's see the result.
Old paint peeling on this rocking chair. Same crack in the floor by my boot heel there. Main Street's quiet like the day after rain. I can almost hear Joe shouting my name. These porch light memories, they flicker and fade like fireflies drifting through the evening.
This is impressive. I love that it's perfectly in sync with the beat of our song. And look at the cinematic lighting the agent created. That warm, golden hour glow turning into a moody twilight with fireflies. The character's consistency is fantastic. He looks like the same weary man in every single shot, which is something a lot of AI video tools really struggle with. And the lip sync is not exactly flawless, but solid enough that you can feel the emotion of loss and grief in his performance as he sings the song. Now, it's not perfect. There are slightly abrupt cuts here and there, and maybe some shots are too long. It could be tighter. But this is exactly where Focal truly separates itself from every other AI tool on the market. Most AI video generators would make you export this good enough version and then go into a separate app to fix the timing. But with Focal, you have the most functioning, versatile editor that I've seen in any AI video generator. You honestly don't need CapCut or Premiere Pro or literally any external video editor to get a finished professional product. Let me show you what I mean. To fix that freeze frame cut, I will go to the location on the timeline, and I can increase the duration and the type of the transition here. Instantly smoother without a freeze. For any shot that feels too long, you can just click on the edge of the clip here and drag it to trim it down. And now look at the left sidebar. Let's click on Stock tab. Wow, here we can browse a library of stock footages and place them in our video. For instance, I will search for horses. I will pick this clip right here and click on this plus button. Like that, it is now our asset for the video. I'm gonna cut this portion right here and replace it with the horse stock clip. That's great, and fits the vibe too. But the timeline is just one way to edit. The real power is going back to the agent. Let's try something more creative that would be difficult to do manually. I'm going to select the final clip where he's sitting in the rocking chair, and I'll type a new command in the chat. For this final shot, can you slowly zoom in on his face to emphasize the emotion? The agent will analyze my request, understand the context, and apply a cinematic camera move for me. And not only transitions, you can also add captions to your video easily on Focal AI.
Old paint peeling on this rocking chair. Same crack in the floor by my boot heel there.
And you can change font, style, colors as well, with some trending presets as well, even with highlighting words. Focal AI is not just a set of buttons, it's a collaborator. And there we have it. A full cinematic folk country music video, perfectly synced to our Suno track, created entirely within one interface. We didn't just generate a video, we directed an agent to build it for us. The beauty of this is that it takes the technical barrier down to zero. You focus on the song and the story, and Focal handles the complexity and the editing. If you've got a Suno track sitting on your hard drive, don't let it go to waste with a static image. Give it the visual life it deserves. I've put the link to FocalML in the description below so you can try out this great AI video agent. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the stories you guys tell.